Everybody, this is Sabrina. Welcome back to my channel. I am thrilled that you're here and I'm excited to share with you another Mandy Ford printable how to use it video. This kit is called Give Thanks and it is a gorgeous color scheme. I so love this color scheme. It's beautiful. So you have these papers that are two patterns on each side. So some beautiful pumpkins and a pink pattern here, some gorgeous wood grain, and then gorgeous leaves. So some really beautiful papers. And then this is one of the cut apart sheets, which has all these today boxes, today, and then all these checklists, and then the faux washi strips. There is two more cut apart sheets, so there is a ton of awesome stuff in this kit and so many possibilities. So you have a Give Thanks pumpkin stack, cozy vibes stack, some keys, bunch of tree stumps, that's what I would call them, and then look at these gorgeous leaves. There's such a beautiful variety of leaves. So that is this kit and it is just beautiful. So I am once again going to use this for my Thursday 3. This is one I took in November, the first Thursday 3 for November. And I'm going to use it to document that Thursday 3. I did cut out on my Cameo a few leaves that match. They were a little hard to cut out. And I did a thankful word and a November word. So just a few little things that I cut out for this page because I'm probably going to stick with the reds, the orange, and the pinks. And then in my journal, I am going to do the same thing that I did with Tracy Reed's kit where I did a main page here for the week and then a daily page. And I might just use this kit for the whole week because I could do that. There's totally so many possibilities, like I said, with this kit. So those are going to be my two projects and I'm excited to dive into them. All right, I'm going to go ahead and switch over to voiceover. Okay, so I took a little bit of time to kind of figure out my overall layout and how I wanted to bring things together because I wanted to make sure that I included not only the currently prompts, but also the 3 different Thursday 3 facts. You know, the Thursday 3, the whole point is to add in 3 little pieces of your life right now, and I always tend to forget those, so I wanted to make sure that I definitely included those. So I am using the really bright reds and oranges and pinks from this collection from Mandy, and so up at the top I put currently in red, and then I'll put right now in red down on the bottom right. And I took some journaling lines and I just wanted 2 of them, and I'm trying to stamp only 2 of them, but the lines wind up really squished together. But whatever, it'll still work. I'll still be able to write out my facts. I could have just drawn lines with a ruler. I mean, I could have done that, but I wanted to try to use this stamp. I am also going to take a piece of the yellow paper and put it on the far right side to kind of draw your eye towards my photo of my selfie. And then I matted it on the pink paper as well. I am going to then add all kinds of pieces that I cut out, like November, and then a really bright red leaf, and also pink and orange. I also put like a fake washi up by my photo because I had my, like, one of the backyard lights. I tried to take it out of the photo, but it didn't disappear as much as I would have liked. So I'm just going to hide that with the washi tape. And you can see here I put the right now and I'll pop dot that along with November, which I cut out with my Cameo. So then from there, I'm just going to build my spread, and I do decide to distress the leaves. I thought that that would give it some more texture. Definitely took a little bit of time since the leaves have so many different edges to them, but I love the result. And then with the little tree stump circle, I actually am going to take that in just a second and crumple it and kind of smash it. I love doing that to just give some really easy texture to my project. I'm glad that I took a few minutes before I started filming this process video to kind of like figure out my design, because I absolutely love the design that I came up with the currently up in the top and then like a break in the middle to put in a big cluster, because then that cluster made kind of a nice line towards my photo and kind of drew your eye towards my photo. And then below that I could put the currently prompts. In the middle section right here, I also included a little box that Mandy had. She had several of those in different colors, and I included one that said red and today, and I just put how I can't believe it's November, the year's flying by, but I'm ready for a new month. So October went by really fast, but I'm definitely ready for November, and maybe just we'll skip to December. That'll work too. So I put thankful right below that box, and you can see there's a little gap. So I'm going to go ahead and put another leaf there. And I also took the leaves and I kind of crumpled or folded the top little portion of the leaf, because that adds some more dimension as well and kind of lifts the leaf up a little bit. I put a red leaf underneath the right now, and then I'm going to also put another like mustard leaf underneath the now portion, and then I can begin to stamp all the different prompts that I have. So this is the leaf that I'm going to cut out, and then I will distress it. And I was okay with the fact that this leaf kind of blended into that piece of paper on the far right. It just makes it look more authentic to a fall tree, right? And that it came from a fall tree. Okay, so I am stamping watching, reading, listening to, working on, thankful for, making, eating, and excited about. I somehow, it's just typical of me, but I lost loving somehow in the process of making this, so I didn't get to stamp loving, but that's okay. And then I am now going to do the journaling for the up top. I just put like number 1, I'm thinking about my 2022 plans, just being more confident in myself and my capabilities. And then 2, I'm loving all my library books. And the last one is I'm excited to be working on regular projects and be done with October daily. Down in the bottom, I put things like listening to indie rock and making 10 on 10 projects. And I'm excited about December daily, change in weather, and my workouts. And then also thankful for my strength inside and outside. So that will finish up this spread. And you guys, this kit is just gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop the video here. I know I didn't get to my journaling, but I didn't want to make this a super long video. I know sometimes my printable videos can be a little on the long side, so I decided to just give you 2 videos. So this one that tells you what I'm making with the kit, and this one project, and then I'll do a second video for my journal page that I'm going to put together. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing Mandy's latest kit and seeing this project come together. I'd love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you're new to my channel. All right, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.